Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sandy Escapes. Today, I'm talking about the best beach in the heart of Spain, Barceloneta Beach. Before you start watching, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Barceloneta Beach features miles of golden sand and an endless horizon with clear blue waters. It's just steps away from seafood and tapas restaurants, with designated swimming and sports areas. Located in Barcelona's traditional fishing district, the beach has cultural ties to the area, making it a destination for those wanting to sample classic Spanish cuisine. This is one of the most famous and loved beaches on the Barcelona coast, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors every year. Barceloneta Beach is a popular literary and cultural destination, offering many activities for families. Whether you're looking to play a game of beach volleyball or beach tennis, want to go swimming or do water sports, or just want to lay out and soak up the sun while the kids run and play along the beach, you can find the perfect opportunity for fun in the sun here. Barceloneta Beach is famous for its golden sand beaches that stretch along the coastline for about 1.2 kilometers. The friendly Mediterranean waters are generally clear and safe for swimming, allowing bathers to bask in the Mediterranean sunshine while listening to the soothing sounds of the waves. Barceloneta Beach offers various water sports and activities such as windsurfing, kite surfing, and paddle boarding. You can also rent equipment and take lessons at the many water sports schools located along the promenade. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and don't